A shocking incident has surfaced from Indore. Two Australian women cricketers have been molested by a man on a bike. The women players were walking from their hotel to a cafe. FIR has been registered and the accused molester, Akil, has been arrested as well. Major security lapse for the Australian women cricketers and concerns being raised over their security. My colleague Anurag joins us with more details. Anurag, take us through exactly what happened. We're learning that these Australian cricketers were walking on the road towards a cafe from their hotel when they were molested.
Yes, exactly. So today there's a showdown between South Africa and Australia in Holkar Stadium, which could be decisive for the semi-final lineup for the World Cup. But before that, a shocking incident when these two cricketers were walking from Radisson Hotel to a nearby cafe. They were allegedly molested by a man identified as Akil through the CCTV cameras. They immediately alerted, the team manager, Danny Simpson, and then he alerted the liaison officer and who came in contact with the Indore police, and through security, through CCTV footage and the live location, they traced the accused from Khajrana area. He's been arrested, and though the police personnel there are saying that security was there, but since it was a short walk, these women cricketers decided to walk without any escort, and that's when this the accused he showed some lewd gestures, and then he tried to allegedly grab one of the cricketers when they immediately alerted their team manager. And he has been identified as 30 years old, Akil, and as per the FIR, a case has been registered under sections 74 and 78 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, that is outraging modesty of women. And the police there swiftly identified and arrested the accused.